Don't drop the rail cover.
Form alliances if you want. There's only one winner though. So eventually you gotta turn on each other, you gotta have some sort of agreement. One year we had it where two people fought to the very end. They were the last two alive. It was awesome sword fighting. If you do that again, let me know that we film it.
Hold on, give me a sec. Hindenburg got this one, but still usable. Yeah. Ah! Not my foreskin! If I still had it.
What we're doing is we're just trying to get people all together. That way the fight keeps going and the game doesn't last like 2 hours. We want to keep it going so we can get another one going. That way it's more fun. Let's get back to your
This is Hunger Games.
Should all be fun. Does anyone have any questions at all before we get started?
Could someone kindly clip me in, please?
Long-back-carrier melee weapon. What? Where's the wallet? No. Okay, for this year, we're not gonna, no throwing weapons. No seeing someone and just...
Thank you very much. Okay.
Can we take ammo? No. Okay. What about that? It's an handful of razor blades for Halloween. Okay, there's one thing you can throw. It's a foam apple, it's foam razors. You can throw it. If you get hit with it, then you're out. It's the only thing I said. No one else throwing it. This is special. Alright. There you go. You ruined it by putting an apple in it. Alright.
Should we have ammo on us? Cool. Okay, so ammo provided, same ammo. Good. Loot Goblin!
For a different gun, you can switch up for a different gun. But that's it. Carry around one weapon with you at all times. Your melee weapon doesn't count towards that. You can always keep your melee weapon on you.
Let me offload my magazines then. Alright, with that, what? Pop?
Yeah, I have tactical gloves. I don't think I'll bring my dirt.
Death before dishonor!
Look for the blood gun!
Blood for the blood gun! Huh?
If I dishonor you after I kill you.
No, it means death before surrender. I.e., if you die, it's better than surrendering because you died with honor. I know it's 40K.
No one ever says the second part.
Ah, fair enough.
Walmart foam swords.
Yes. Lily bought them today because why the fuck not? CPU?
It's PLA, but it's pretty bendy.
Okay.
I'm not gonna like stab anybody with it.
Do it.
Loving tap. Or playful spank. Whichever one.
There's a secondary point of
Last time I had a foam sword,
Mm-hmm.
and I just hit one of the buildings in Asheville, and then someone was coming around the corner with a G36, so I just smacked him in the face and took it.
Nice.
The last time I did Hunger Games, I was like a pretty epic sword fight with someone.
First time Hunger Games, let's go.
Then a guy came in and got me with a little knife. Well, no, I think it was the other way around. So I was going at this guy with a tiny knife, and I was like, "Ooh!" Then a guy with a sword, and he's like, "Got me." That was annoying. Hey, when the chief, the next to waist is over, says strap up. Yeah. I actually like that. Yeah.
I'm gonna do a spare
Just a cardboard tube I got from my school's robotics trash. All the dangerous stuff happens at the far end of it. Yeah. And you can like where the frick over, you can reach them before they get you. Yep. That's you're not allowed to use throwing weapons except for the apple. Beat Saber. I just thought I'd do it. Like Beat Saber. Never cared for Beat Saber.
It's an alright game if it wouldn't work. Granted, that's basically my Oculus itself being kind of dog shit, because it's an Oculus class. It's an Oculus.
Rhythm games, man. So bad. I'm not the best at rhythm games. I had a little stint doing Geometry Dash a while back. That's it.
I'm alright at them. But yeah, when your VR headset decides to want to function properly, it's an amazing game.
Yeah, I did Beat Saber once on my uncle's headset when he came in Thanksgiving one year. It was alright. I was more into Gorn. I haven't played that yet.
Yeah.
I've seen it, but I haven't played it. It's fun.
I'm looking to get rid of my Oculus.
I punched my grandpa's TV playing it.
Find a weapon before I sound the second horn. You cannot pick it up, but you can stand around it. So you can stand around it and kind of guard it, but you can't shoot. You can't like melee anyone, and you can't pick up a weapon and shoot anyone until after you hear the second horn.
When you walk fast, you turn like this and you hit your book. Don't wait.
Oi, 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 yeah, yeah, oi.
The 9th annual Hunger Games begins in 3, 2, 1. What? Come over here. Alright, hold up.
Are you guys just still reffing?
What?
Are you guys just
wearing orange for fun?
Okay, I just wanted to double check, make sure the refs weren't playing. And Tiki Town is safe, right?
Yeah, the only place it's open.
Got it. Thank you.
I said
Sword beats gun.
What? If I said bang,
You have to see me first. You can't just point.
I went bang.
And I got you before. You said
You
bang.
didn't.
Yes, I did.
You didn't.
Yes, I did.
Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, I'm sorry.
Dibs.
Whoever wins.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yep. Thank you kindly.
Did you win? Did you win?
Yes.
Alright. Pretty sure that's it.
Oh, you got the rough thing.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wow.
So you're the ref, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. That's everybody?
Huh. Okay then. Let me grab this to give you guys to distribute as you see fit.
I think so. Does that need BBs?
I don't know. I didn't touch it.
Alright.
Okay then.
Walk around a little bit just to make sure. Go back up to the table.
Yep.
Micro.
I think I just won that. GoPro, stop recording.